Fellow Nigerians, this government increased fuel from 145 naira to 700 naira a litre, and we did nothing. Next, this government devalued the naira from 160 to 1,500 to $1 within a few months, and we did nothing because we are afraid. When they saw that we are so fearful and timid, they moved ahead to increase electricity tariff from 60 naira to 245 naira per unit because it has pleased the president that we are powerless. Next, your freedom to breathe this God-given air will be withdrawn because 200 million people have been conquered by one man and his clapping disciples. This is because he knows that you will be afraid to act. What makes a person to be human being is light, energy, and money. When these three things are snatched away, you are no longer a human being. Your situation becomes worse than that chicken which Joseph Stalin plucked off all its feathers because he knew that the chicken would do him nothing. Price of one bag of rice moved from 40 naira to 40,000 naira to 90,000 naira a bag in 1 month. A can of malt moved from 100 naira to 500 naira. Common 50 naira corn is now 400 naira. A small basin of gari is 20,000 naira. Price of foodstuff and everything have skyrocketed. 300% increase in electricity tariff will worsen human livelihood and make things deplorable. They have deceived the fools that electricity increment affect only 15% users. Fellow Nigerians, do we have a cheaper food market for 85% non-electricity users in Nigeria and another commodity market for 15% electricity users in Nigeria? This inhuman suppression must not continue. It must end now. Tinubu, governors, senators, and ministers eat free food, drive free SUVs, live in free houses, and have free security. They drink free water. They have everything in life, but you sweat for everything you have. These people set large incomes and allowances for themselves only. It does not bother them whether you survive or not. How much you suffer is not their problem, but your discomfort is their pleasure. Fellow Nigerians, we have been pushed to the wall. If we remain with this torture, we will die. And if we resist Tinubu's punishment, we will still die. Therefore, it is more honorable to die in the field of struggle than to die a cheap death of fear. We must free ourselves from this bondage. Tinubu must, as a matter of urgency, revert electricity to 60 naira per unit. He must revert the price of fuel back to 145 naira a litre, and henceforth put a stop to endless devaluation of our naira. There is a better option for the president: to use his massive power to fight corruption in his own government than to use this power to choke Nigerians to death. The price of electricity, the price of fuel, and the naira must revert to the price this government met when they took over power.